Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion itong post ni Mr. Ed Alunan. Sabi lang niya, Senator Kiko Pangilinan, basa. Basahin mo. Sagot ni retired Supreme Court Justice Tiham, Noel Tiham. Sinagot niya yung remarks ni Senator Pangilinan na mas mataas daw ang impeachment court kumpara sa Supreme Court. Ay, nako. Ito. Justice Noel Tiham explains why the impeachment court is not higher than the Supreme Court. During a light, sinulat na ito ni Attorney Anthony Lodalbi Vista. During a light moment in the Senate's budget deliberation, Senator Francisco Pangilinan joked that the Senate, when acting as an impeachment court, is higher than the Supreme Court. The remark was made in a jovial tone, parang pabiro, not as a formal constitutional claim. Still, it raises a serious question worth clarifying. Masama yung mga ganong biro. Senador ka, abogado ka pa naman, tapos magsasalita ka ng ganon. Ito, hindi siya pinalampas ng retired Supreme Court Justice. Can the impeachment court ever be considered higher than the Supreme Court? Justice Noel Tiham, retired Associate Justice of the Supreme Court, explained why the answer is no, and why the Constitution does not support such an idea. Number one, first, the Supreme Court is the final interpreter of the Constitution. Only the court has the ultimate authority to decide legal controversies and settle constitutional issues. Its decisions cannot be reviewed, corrected, or reversed by anybody, including the Senate sitting as an impeachment court. This final say is what makes the Supreme Court supreme in the constitutional structure. Number two, second, the impeachment court is not part of the judiciary. It is a special constitutional body made up of senators who temporarily act as judges for one limited purpose, deciding whether an impeachable officer should be removed from office. Its power is significant, but it does not give the Senate judicial supremacy. It cannot interpret the law, establish doctrine, or revise rulings of the Supreme Court. Okay, pangatlo. Third, even if the impeachment court handles a case involving a Supreme Court justice, it does not rise above the Supreme Court as an institution. It is dealing with the conduct of a public official, not the validity of court decisions. The impeachment court decides accountability, not legality. Yan. Malaking kaibahan yun. Legality versus accountability. Yung impeachment court, accountability lang. Fourth, its decisions are final because impeachment is considered a political act, not because the impeachment court is the highest court. Courts do not interfere with Congress when Congress performs its constitutional role. Finality and dissent protects the separation of powers, not superiority. Justice Tiham's broader point is that statements suggesting superiority, even when made jokingly, can confuse the public about how the Constitution actually works. Bakit pa gagawing biro-biro yung mga ganyang statement? Mas mataas ang impeachment court? Parang hindi abogado. The impeachment court performs an important duty but within a strict and narrow boundary. The Supreme Court retains its role as the ultimate guardian of the Constitution. Senator Pangilinan's comment may have been lighthearted, but the constitutional truth remains clear. The impeachment court is not and cannot be higher than the Supreme Court. The two bodies have different powers and different purposes. One handles political accountability, the other interprets the law for the entire nation. Ito, summary. Yung sinabi ni Justice Tiham, the impeachment court is not part of the judiciary. Yan. Pangalawa, impeachment court cannot interpret the law. Pangatlo, the impeachment court cannot establish doctrine. Next, pangapat, it cannot revise Supreme Court rulings. And then, summary, impeachment court is not higher than the Supreme Court. So, pwede ba sa sunod, wag na kayong magbiro-biro ng ganyan? Na pati retired justice nagpapahinga, mapipilitang sumagot. Albert Pacaira, what a shame, Kiko. Becky D, bakit ang dami-daming nag-aastang Supreme Court judge ngayon? Pati pagka-presidente, ang dami nila. Why? Ano pa? Si Naida Marquez, shame on you, Kiko. Bulok attorney. Arar-arar, baka hindi mabukya. Rolly Sinatrep, bago po kasi ang idea ni Kiko kinain niya na yung dahon ng saging. Okay, speaking of impeachment, yung motion for reconsideration ng Kamara, di ba, yung pagkabasura ng impeachment laban kay Bisara, binasura ng Supreme Court, nag-motion for reconsideration. Ano na ngayon? Wala na. Pinabayaan na lang, pinatulog na lang ng Supreme Court, hindi na nila diniscuss o dahil hanggang February man lang yung pagbasura. So, abangan natin, ilang buwan na lang. Tapos ng November, December, January. 2 buwan na lang. Usaping impeachment na naman tayo. So, ini-expect ni BP Sara na sasampahan na naman siya ng impeachment case February 6 onwards. Yang mga makakaliwa na yan, yang sina Hontiveros, Sindanya, Shell Jokno, Laila de Lima, diba pa dyan, talagang magsasampa at magsasampa yan dahil takot na takot silang magpresidente si BP Sara sa 2028. So, good luck sa mga magsasampa ng kaso, impeachment case laban kay BP Sara. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito ay pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng mga libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo naman ng mas maayos na tahanan itong tribong Talandig. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Karon mo na niyang matagaan og yero nga si ate.
Itang kayo inabang ta kanay.
So mao ni ang balay ni ate. So kawayan lang siya. So makita nimo nga natagaan siya og yero.
Dako gid akong pasalamat nga nabutan ni atop nga bisag layo ang amua. Dagan sa alamat sa Ginoo.
So mauna ni ang ilang atop nga kawayan lang. So makita nimo. So mapud ni ang ilang kahimtang ng mga gamit. So kawayan ang atop, kawayan pud ang dingding. So ang salog, so luoy kay sila. So karon ate, unsay imong masulti nga natagaan kag yero nga makaatop na gid ka ug mapulihan na ang imong atop nga kawayan.
Salamat sa Ginoo kay naabutan mig atop bisag layo mi. Dagang kaayo salamat sa inyo kay na kaatop na gid mi na ilisan among atop nga luoy sad kaayo.
Oo. So pila na ni katuig te?
8.
Walo na katuig ang balay ni ate. So kawayan lang siya. So na kay anak te?
Naa.
So nag-eskwela?
Upat o isa ra ang gaeskwela.
Isa ra. So na ay anak si ate, upat, isa ang nag-eskwela. So, pila na imong edad te?
43.
So 43 na ka ate. So, nganong kawayan man ang inyong kuante? Atop.
Di manggod ka hampudan sa among paniguro kay
O tungod sa inyong kalisod te, kutobra sa pagkaon ng inyong makwartahan. So, panguma lang ang inyong kuante.
among
Paningkamot.
panginabuhi.
Oo. So, si ate, panguma lang ang ilang kuan.
Salamat to Ginoo sa nakatadaw video.
Salamat kaayo te.
Salamat.